Hey there friends! Welcome back to our channel. My name is James. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, a guide to buying and choosing a dog in 2023. So if you're considering adding a four-legged friend to your family, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we dive into the process of buying and choosing a dog, let's first address the importance of responsible pet ownership. Owning a dog is a long-term commitment and requires time, effort, and resources. Ensure you're ready for the responsibility before making this decision. Step 1 is to assess your lifestyle and choose a breed that aligns well with your daily routine. Are you an active person who enjoys outdoor activities, or do you prefer a more laid-back lifestyle? Different breeds have varying exercise and training needs, so finding a dog that matches your energy level is crucial. Step 2 is narrowing down your options. Research different breeds considering factors such as size, temperament, grooming requirements, and any breed-specific health issues. When you have a short list, reach out to reputable breeders or rescue organizations to gather more information. Step 3 is considering adoption. There are millions of wonderful dogs in shelter and rescue centers looking for forever homes. Adoption not only gives this dog a second chance, but it can also be a rewarding experience for you and your family. Remember to thoroughly screen the organization and ask about the dog's history and behavior. Step 4 is preparing your home. Dogs need their space, so ensure you have a comfortable bed, food and water bowls, toys and essential grooming supplies. Set up a designated area for your new furry friend to feel safe and secure. Step 5 is understanding their nutritional needs. Consult with a veterinarian to determine the right type and quantity of food for your dog's breed, age, and weight. A well-balanced diet is crucial for their overall health and longevity. Step 6 is training and socialization. Enroll in a positive reinforcement based training program or work with a professional dog trainer to teach your new companion basic commands and good behavior. Additionally, expose them to different environments, people, and other animals to ensure proper socialization. Lastly, step 7 is ensuring your dog's health and well-being. Regular veterinary checkups, vaccination, flea tick, and heartworm prevention are essential. Remember, a happy and healthy dog requires love, care, and attention. And there you have it, our guide to buying and choosing a dog in 2023. Remember, the journey of pet ownership is filled with love, joy, and a few challenges. But with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. If you have any questions or want to share your dog ownership experience, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more pet-related content. Until next time, take care and wag on.